Are you hiding from someone today?
An American tourist just asked me a question.
That is wonderful. Did you help him?
No, he spoke way too fast.
So, what did you say to him?
I just panicked and shouted, "What?"
Oh no, that is very rude, Michael.
I know. I feel so embarrassed now.
The word what can shock people.
He looked shocked and walked away quickly.
We must fix your survival English.
I need emergency words right away.
I will teach you some polite phrases.
How do I stop sounding so rude?
Do you know why what is so bad?
Because it sounds like I am angry?
Exactly. It is very aggressive and loud.
But I only know that one word.
It makes people feel like they made a mistake.
I just wanted him to slow down.
Shouting what is like a slap.
A slap? I did not mean to hit him.
In English, tone is very important.
My tone was pure panic and fear.
People hear the panic as anger.
That explains why he ran away.
You need a brand new survival word.
Please teach me the new word right now.
The easiest fix is just one short word.
Just one word? Tell me what it is.
Instead of what, just say sorry.
Sorry? But I did nothing wrong today.
It simply means I did not hear you.
Oh, with a rising voice at the end?
Yes, make it sound like a gentle question.
Like this? Sorry?
Perfect. You sound very polite and friendly now.
That is so much better than what?
They will naturally repeat the sentence.
And they will not run away from me?
No, they will smile and help you.
I feel safer already with this magic word.
Do you want a fun phrase for friends?
Yes, something very relaxed and easy.
You can simply say, come again.
Come again? Where are they going?
No, it just means say that again.
Oh, I see. It is a fun idiom.
Yes, it is very natural for casual talk.
Come again. I like how that sounds.
It makes you sound like a native speaker.
I want to sound like a cool native.
Just remember to smile when you say it.
I will smile and say, come again?
Only use it with your close friends, though.
Okay, but what if it is my boss?
At work, you need a formal phrase.
I definitely do. My boss speaks so fast.
Say, could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Yes, it shows respect and strong professionalism.
That sounds very smart and polite.
You can also say, pardon me?
Pardon me? That sounds like an old movie.
It is a classic and a very safe choice.
I like pardon me. It is so elegant.
It is perfect for business meetings.
My boss will be very impressed by me.
Practice these phrases before your next meeting.
I will use these at work tomorrow morning.
What if they repeat it, but still fast?
That is my absolute worst nightmare.
Just be honest. Tell them to slow down.
How do I say that politely in English?
Say, could you speak slower, please?
Could you speak slower, please? That is easy.
Native speakers forget how fast they actually talk.
They talk like a very fast racing car.
They will happily slow down if you ask.
Do I look stupid if I ask that?
Not at all. It shows you are trying hard.
Okay, I will just ask them to slow down.
Communication is about understanding each other.
I am not afraid of fast speakers anymore.
Have you ever tried catching words like a ball?
Catching words? That sounds very hard.
We use a special phrase for listening.
Is it a funny idiom again?
Yes, you can say, I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that. Like playing baseball.
Exactly. It just means you missed the words.
Do I say sorry first?
Yes. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
That sounds very friendly and polite.
It is perfect for everyday conversations.
I like catching words like a ball.
Practice makes it so much easier.
I will use this with my American friend.
What happens on a bad phone call?
I always panic and I just hang up.
Do not hang up. Blame the phone.
Blame the phone? How do I say that?
Say, the connection is bad.
The connection is bad. That is clever.
Then add, could you repeat that?
So the phone is the problem?
Yes, it takes the pressure off you.
I love blaming my phone for everything.
Just do not say what on the phone.
Shouting what hurts people's ears.
You are finally learning the rules.
I am never hanging up the phone again.
Do you want a secret listening trick?
Yes, give me all the secrets.
Just repeat the last word they said.
Repeat the last word like a tiny echo?
Yes, it shows you're paying attention.
Can you give me an example?
Like, the meeting is at 3.
And I say, at 3?
Perfect. And they'll say, yes, at 3.
This tiny echo trick is very smart.
It is a very natural conversation tool.
It buys me time to think, too.
Exactly. You are becoming a pro now.
I will use the echo trick tomorrow morning.
What if you still do not understand?
I will probably cry and run away.
No running. Just tell them the truth.
Tell them that I'm totally lost?
Say, I am still learning English.
I am still learning English. That is honest.
People are very kind when you try.
Really? They won't not laugh at me?
Never. They will respect your hard work.
I am working very hard right now.
Then be proud of your English journey.
Being honest is better than saying what.
Honesty builds a strong connection with people.
I feel so much more confident now, Anna.
Are you ready for a quick test?
I am ready. Test my new skills.
Hey, where is the coffee shop?
Sorry, could you speak slower, please?
Wow, that was absolutely perfect.
I didn't say what. I totally survived.
Let's try one more time.
Bring it on. I'm not afraid.
The flight leaves at exactly noon.
At noon? I didn't catch that.
You used the echo and the catchphrase.
I am an English survival master now.
You are a polite English speaker now.
I will go find that fast American tourist.
Let's review before you find the tourist.
Okay, never shout what at strangers.
Good. What is the magic short word?
Just say sorry with a gentle voice.
And for your fast boss at work?
Could you repeat that, please? So polite.
What if the phone connection is bad?
I didn't catch that. I really love it.
You are totally ready for the real world.
If you're committed, smash that like button.
Be a hero. Share this with a friend.
Someone you know who is too busy.
Subscribe and smash that notification bell.
See you next time. Protect your English.